Hey y'all, it is that time of year when we've got pumpkins and apples and apple ciders coming out of our ears. And we have got these beautiful apples. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to make an apple cake. Now the ingredients to this is flour, sugar, eggs, cinnamon, salt, baking soda, oil, vanilla, and of course the star of the show, these beautiful apples. I'll get set up and I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, here's what it's called. It's called a Kentucky apple cake, and this recipe came from deep within Kentucky, and it is so delicious. But you can screenshot the ingredients. Now the first things you're going to want to do, you're going to want to oil and flour your pan, and then you want to set the oven to 350 degrees. Okay, y'all. Well, the first thing we're going to add is the flour. The next thing is the sugar. And yes, this seems like an awful lot of sugar, but trust me, this Kentucky apple cake, you're going to love it. The next thing is going to be the baking soda, the cinnamon, and the salt. Get all that in there. And you're going to mix that well. And it wouldn't be me if I didn't make a mess. Okay, y'all, the next thing we're going to do, we're going to add the vanilla, the oil. I'm going to get all that vanilla. And the eggs. And we're going to mix this really well. Now this is going to be a very stiff batter. Very stiff. In fact, I think I'm going to switch to the tools God gave me in mixing this. See how stiff that is, y'all? Okay, the next thing we're going to add is the apples. But don't drop all the apples out. Okay, y'all, now that is the consistency we want. And there goes Mr. Cooper again. Okay, I'm going to get my hands cleaned up and we will be right back. All right, y'all, the next step, pour this in the pan. And then we're going to spread it out, flatten it down. You want to make sure to get all that batter. not going to want to miss a drop of this. It is just so delicious. Okay, and then you just spread it out. And you're going to want to cook this on 350 degrees in the oven for 1 hour. And when that is done, I will bring you back, show you what it looks like, and give Mr. James there a taste. Whoops, I am so messy. That's all right. Laugh at me, Mr. James.
It's over here on my finger. It flew all the way over here.
All right, y'all. It is as simple as that. We'll bring you back in a minute. Okay, y'all, we just got the cake out of the oven, and it is cooked perfectly. Let's get Mr. James in here to taste it. You ready to taste this Kentucky apple cake?
Yes, ma'am. Find out where all the juicy apples are.
Oh, they're all throughout it.
Mine.
Yours?
All mine.
Are the apples cooked nice?
Oh, yeah.
And
Like I said, the first bite never counts. You always have to have a second bite.
this is true. Well, y'all, that'll do it for this one. I would say this is one spoiled man.
I'm not eating dinner. I'm eating this.
All right, y'all. If you're not subscribed to Pennington's Garden Life, come on over and subscribe. We're good people. Have a blessed day.